kids, great to have you back here for some more jigsaw puzzle fun. Today we've got a fantastic Peppa Pig puzzle to enjoy. There's 4 in the box. It's a Ravensburger puzzle and recommended for ages 3 and up. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 puzzles all together with 12, 16, 20 and 24 pieces. And here's Peppa to help us. Let's give them a little shake and off we go. Wow, look at all those colourful pieces. Let's spread them out on the table and turn them up the right way. This way we can see the pictures and all of those beautiful colours. What colours can you spot? Shout them out. I can see lots of pink, green, blue, yellow, red and white. I wonder what pictures these colours are going to make. When you've got so many pieces, it's tricky to know where to start. We want to start with this one. Which character can you see? I can see Mummy Pig. She's on the sand at the seaside, and I bet she's having lots of fun. It's important to look for the clues in the puzzle. The puzzle we're doing has a red line all the way around the edge. Here it is. Can you see it? Why doesn't this piece go in? That's right. It's got a blue edge, and we need the red edge. Let's look for them. When you get a bit stuck, take a look at the box to help. Can you see other pieces we need to use? Oh, there's Daddy Pig's tummy. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Ho, ho, ho. Oh no, that doesn't go there. What's this? Can you help? Oh yes, it's the sunshine, the big yellow sun in the sky. And next to it's an umbrella. Can we see the umbrella pieces? There it is, the umbrella is next to the sun. And look, there's a long red edge. It's really coming together. Do you see this piece? This is a corner piece and it's going to go about here, but we need all the other pieces first. Let's keep looking. Look at that! You can really see the picture now. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces left to find for this puzzle. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. This puzzle is a rectangle, so it has 4 corners. What great learning! Now let's find those pieces and finish the puzzle. And there we are. That's the last piece of the puzzle. Give that a tap. And that one's all done. Hey look, Peppa Pig's at the beach with her mummy and daddy. Her friends are with her too. What a fun day they must be having. And now let's get on with the next puzzle. Which one shall we try and do now? Oh, the 16-piece puzzle. It looks like they've gone for a picnic. Let's take a look. There we are. We've got 2 pieces that go together and it makes Peppa Pig. What colour is the edge on this puzzle? That's right. It's blue. We're looking for the blue edges. Off we go. Let's find them. Hey, look at that. The picnic's really coming together. We just need to find George's eyes. Can you see them? They're not George's eyes, but they're Daddy Pig's eyes. Look, they're a corner piece. And there's 1, 2, 3 pieces left to find on this puzzle. Oh look, there's George's eyes. Yeah, and there's the last piece of the puzzle. Look at that, Peppa Pig and her family are on a picnic. They love a picnic in the park. We've got Mummy Pig, George Pig, Daddy Pig and Peppa Pig. Now it's time for the next puzzle. Off we go. And which one shall we choose this time? Yay, the one with the ice cream. Let's go. This time we're looking for all the pieces with a purple edge. Let's see which ones we can find. And there's Mr. Elephant's eyes. What a great start. And there's the corner piece. Can you see the pointy corner? That's where 2 edges meet. Mr. Elephant wears lots of white. Can you spot any white pieces? Hey look, there's Mr. Elephant's face. He's all complete now. Peppa Pig and Emily Elephant look like they've been eating chocolate ice cream. Yummy! And there's George, the last piece of the puzzle. They look like they're having a fun day at the fair. 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And that makes our rectangle. Time for the next puzzle now. Which one do we need to do now? That's right, Peppa Pig's gone to the park. Here we go. And this puzzle has a pink edge. Make sure you look for all the edge pieces. Wow, that one took no time at all. Peppa Pig and her friends look as though they're having a fun time. Look at Zoe Zebra at the top of the slide. And everybody on the roundabout. What a fun day for them. That was so much fun. I loved looking at all of the colours and learning about rectangles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 puzzles with Peppa Pig and her friends. What fun! What colours can you see? I can see pink, blue, green, white, yellow, orange, red and purple. Hey kids, thanks for joining me and completing these fun Peppa Pig jigsaw puzzles. I loved putting the pieces together with you, learning the different colours and what a rectangle looks like. Grown-ups, if you enjoyed my video, please press the like button to let me know. Puzzles are a great way to have fun and do learning together. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so as you don't miss any future learning videos with myself, Miss Honeytree, where learning is through toys and play.